Hello everyone, this is a quick video for finding the nth term rule. It's all to do with sequences and finding any step of any sequence. Here's how we do it. What is the rule for this sequence is what we're going to be looking at. We're also going to be looking at finding the 10th step of the sequence and the 100th step of the sequence. Here is our first sequence. It begins with 5, then 8, then 11, then 14, then 17. You might already see that we're going up by the same amount. We're going up in threes. And this stays the same all the way through. So this helps us to answer this question. Who is the times table's criminal? And we work that out by looking at how it's going up. It's going up in threes each time. So we're going to just throw the 3 times tables into here. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15, 6 times 3 is 18. And because that's the 3 times tables, that's the same as showing 3n. Because if n is 1, 3n is 3. If n is 2, then 3 n's of 2 makes 6. If n is 4, that's the same as 4 times 3, that's 3 times n, is 12. The second question we have to answer is, what was the disguise? What? Here, 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 and here. What is this disguise being worn by the 3 times tables? And to do this, we look at the relationship between the 3 and the 5, the 6 and the 8, the 9 and the 11. And you can see that that is adding 2. I have to add 2 to get from 3 to 5. I have to add 2 to get from 6 to 8, and 2 to get from 12 to 14, and 2 to get from 15 to 17. So my rule is 3n, that's the times table's criminal, and the disguise that it's wearing is adding 2. I can use this rule to work out what the 10th step would be. So 3n would be 30, but 3n add 2 would be 32. And similarly, if I had 3n and an n was 100, I would have 300. And 3n plus 2 would be 302. Let's have a look at a slightly different sequence. Wonder what the difference is between this sequence and the previous sequence. It's going down this time rather than going up. And you can see it's going down, taking 2 away each time. This could be a problem. This might freak us out a little bit, and we shouldn't be. So we do the same thing again. Same table, n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we place underneath there 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, and 12. Now, it's going down in minus 2. It's going down by taking 2 away each time. So we're going to this time do minus 2n. So we're going to do minus 2 times 1. Minus 2 times 1 is negative 2, or minus 2. Minus 2 times 2 is negative 4. And I'm going to do this all the way, and you can see we've got a negative 2 times tables on our hands. Now what we've got to then do is work out, once again, what was the criminal's disguise. And it's a much bigger disguise this time. We've got to count from negative 2 to 22. And a way to do this is turn the negative 2 into a positive 2 and do 22 add 2. That gives us 24. So the difference between negative 2 and 22 is added 24. The difference between negative 4 and 20 is 24. The difference between negative 6 and 18 is 24. So our rule is going to be negative 2n add 24. That's a huge disguise. So having watched this video, have a go at the questions below. Best of luck.